There's lots of misunderstandings in the scaffold industry. One of the major ones is the amount of product that arrives on a site, the amount of space that people need to provide. When a semi-trailer load of scaffold arrives, people sometimes are blown away by how much there is. The other things that people understand is how long it takes to actually install and dismantle, put it together before it even goes out. So there's a lot of background work. People quite often don't understand the scope of what's happening around them as well. So once it's installed though, they're sort of, oh, look at that, wow. They don't understand this in an estimating sense. They quite often don't understand where it is and isn't required as well. So we're actively trying to train our customers on how to better realise what their requirements could or will be. Height access is an important thing and it's often missed, and that can be an expensive outcome for a client when they forget the scaffold, which is not uncommon. The other thing they don't think of is how quick or how long it may take. So again, the bricklayer's about to put the steel lintel in and all of a sudden needs scaffold, which the builder's forgotten all about. So we quite often have to react quite quickly. So being light on our feet is important.